This new Chinese AI agent just dropped, and it's absolutely nuts. You can build entire AI teams without writing a single line of code. Drag, drop, configure, done. We're talking software, videos, presentations, research, all automated, and it's completely free. Let me show you why everyone's freaking out about ChatDev 2.0. All right, so ChatDev 2.0 just launched, and this thing is insane. Let me explain what this actually does. You know how most AI tools give you one agent doing one thing? ChatGPT answers questions, Claude writes content, that's it. ChatDev is completely different. It lets you build entire teams of AI agents that work together like a real company. You've got a CEO agent making decisions, a programmer agent writing code, a tester agent checking for bugs, a designer agent making it look good, and they all collaborate on the same project. The crazy part, version 2.0 just made this accessible to everyone. No coding required, zero technical skills needed. You literally drag and drop agents into a workflow, configure what you want them to do, and watch them work together. Here's why this matters for your business. Let's say you run the AI Profit Boardroom community. You need content, right? You could use ChatDev to build an entire content pipeline. One agent researches trending AI automation topics, another agent writes the outline, a third agent creates the full article, a fourth agent optimizes it for SEO, a fifth agent generates social media posts from it, all running automatically, no switching between tools, no copy pasting between ChatGPT tabs, just one workflow that handles everything. And that's just one example. People are using this for software development, video production, workflows, research paper writing, presentation creation, game development, 3D modeling, pipelines, the list goes on. Now let me show you what's actually new in version 2.0, because this update changes everything. First, the interface. Version 1 required you to write Python code and configure JSON files. Most people couldn't use it. Version 2 has a visual drag and drop interface. You see a blank canvas, you drag in agent nodes, you connect them with lines showing the workflow. You click each agent and configure what it does. That's it. No terminal commands, no code editors, just point and click. Second, the graph-based orchestration. This is huge. You can now create loops. So an agent can review another agent's work and send it back for revisions. You can create branches. So different agents work on different paths based on conditions. You can nest subgraphs. So complex workflows can be broken into smaller reusable pieces. You can run agents in parallel. So multiple tasks happen at the same time instead of waiting. This makes the system incredibly flexible. Third, multi-domain support. Version 1 was mostly for software development. Version 2 works for basically anything. Creative projects, business workflows, academic research, marketing campaigns, content production. They've added templates for all of these. Let me give you a real example. Say you want to create an AI automation course for the AI Profit Boardroom. You could build a ChatDev workflow like this. Agent 1, Course Planner. Analyzes your audience and creates a course outline with 10 modules. Agent 2, Content Writer, takes each module and writes detailed lesson scripts. Agent 3, Video Script Formatter, converts lessons into engaging video scripts with hooks and CTAs. Agent 4, Presentation Builder, creates slide decks for each lesson. Agent 5, Quiz Generator, makes assessment questions to test learning. Agent 6, Marketing Copywriter, writes sales pages and email sequences promoting the course. All of these agents work together. The planner feeds into the writer feeds into the formatter feeds into the presentation builder, and so on. One workflow, complete course, done. Let me show you how to actually get started with this. It's open source and free. Here's what you do. Go to GitHub and search for OpenBNB ChatDev. You'll see the repository. Clone it to your computer with one command. Create a Python environment. They recommend Python 3.9 or higher. Install the dependencies with pip install. Add your OpenAI API key if you want to use GPT models. And you're ready to go. The repo comes with tons of examples, simple software projects, creative workflows, research pipelines. You can run any of these with a single command, or use the web visualizer. They have a hosted demo you can access right in your browser. No installation needed. You can drag agents around, configure them, and watch them work. It shows you real-time logs of what each agent is doing. Super helpful for learning how this works. Now let's talk about the templates. This is where ChatDev really shines. They've built ready-made workflows for common tasks. There's a software development template. You give it an idea for an app. It generates the code, tests it, documents it, and packages it. Done. There's a video production template. You give it a topic. It writes a script, creates a storyboard, generates animation prompts, and outputs a production plan. There's a research assistant template. You give it a topic. It searches for papers, summarizes findings, identifies gaps, and writes a literature review. There's a presentation builder template. You give it a topic and key points. It creates a full PowerPoint with slides, speaker notes, and visual suggestions. You can use these templates as is or customize them for your needs. Want to add an SEO optimization agent to the content template? Just drag it in and connect it. Want to add a fact checker agent to the research template? Done in 2 minutes. The flexibility is incredible. And because it's open source, the community keeps adding more. New templates, new agent types, new integrations. It's constantly improving. Now let's talk about some advanced features. For people who want to go deeper, you can create custom agent roles, not just the default CEO, CTO, programmer setup. You can make agents for specific tasks in your business, a lead generation agent, a customer support agent, a data analysis agent, whatever you need. You can integrate private language models. Don't want to use OpenAI? Use Anthropic's Claude. Use an open source model like Llama. Run your own fine-tuned model. ChatDev supports all of it. You can export and share your workflows. Build an amazing agent team. Save it as a template. Share it with your team. Reuse it across projects. This makes scaling so much easier. And here's something really cool. The research behind this. ChatDev has papers accepted at NeurIPS 2025. That's one of the top AI conferences in the world. They're working on evolving orchestration. That means the system learns from experience and improves its agent coordination over time. They're working on iterative experience refinement, so agents get better at their roles with each project. This isn't just a cool tool, it's backed by serious academic research, and it's only going to get better. So why does this matter for you? Because AI automation is the future. Multi-agent systems are how you scale it. One AI chatbot can help you with tasks. A team of AI agents can run entire parts of your business. That's the difference. Think about the AI profit boardroom. We could use ChatDev to automate content creation for the community, onboarding sequences for new members, resource generation for courses, marketing campaigns for growth, customer support responses, data analysis for optimization, all of it running with AI agent teams. That's not science fiction. That's available right now for free, open source. Anyone can use it. So here's what I want you to do. Go check out the ChatDev GitHub, play with the visualizer demo, try one of the templates, see what's possible. Then think about your business. What workflows could you automate? What teams could you build? What time could you save? And if you want the full process, step-by-step SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Real people, real results, real automation. And for those ready to take it even further, check out the AI Profit Boardroom, where we show you exactly how to implement these automation systems into your business and save hours every single week. ChatDev 2.0 is just the beginning. Multi-agent AI is going to change everything, and you're watching it happen right now. So get it for today. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.